Before you make your presentation available to an audience, you definitely need to check for spelling mistakes. For example, I'm going to go to slide 1 and I'm going to change the spelling of money to include 2 Y's. This should be brought up by the spell checker. Now, the spell checker can be run in a variety of ways. You could either go to the quick access toolbar and click the spelling button. Notice also here it tells you that the shortcut key for spelling is F7, the function key F7, or I could go to the review tab in the ribbon and to the far left click spelling. If I click spelling, any words that are not in its dictionary, it will draw to my attention. So it says that money with 2 Y's is not in the dictionary, and it wants to change it to money with 1 Y. I could ignore this. I could ignore all occurrences of the spelling error if it occurred several times in my presentation, or I could change it or change all occurrences. I'll click change. And the spell checker tells me there's no more errors. So definitely run a spell check before you present it to an audience. Mind you, the best spell checker is another person with a good handle of the English language. So I'll click OK. The other proofing tool worth considering is the Thesaurus. We often find ourselves using the same words all the time. For example, I'm going to go to slide 2 in my slides pane, and I'm looking for an alternative word to vital. If I click on vital, I could then right-click vital and look for synonyms. Often there are no suggestions, but what you can do is click Thesaurus. This will bring up the Thesaurus task pane. It immediately is searching for words based on vital, and here are a list of very similar sounding words. I might decide that crucial would be a good replacement, so I'll hit the triangle to the right of crucial and I'll click the option insert, which will insert crucial in replace of vital. And I can close the Thesaurus task pane. If I felt I needed another word instead of by, I'll right-click by, go to synonyms, and again there are no suggestions, so I'll bring up the Thesaurus. Here are a number of words meaning by, and I might go for procure, so I'll hit the down triangle to the right of procure, and I'll insert. And there's my new wording. So consider the spell checker and the Thesaurus before you let your presentation out to an audience.